Hello, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make paint in a bag.
First, mix the water, flour, and salt in a pot on medium heat. 1 cup of flour. 2 cups of water. And then a tablespoon of salt.
You're gonna slowly mix the mixture until it is smooth.
Once it's nice and smooth like paint, scoop it out into a bowl and apply your food coloring. You can repeat this process several times to create different paints of different colors. Once you have your paint, you can put your bag inside of the paper, just like this, and then place your paint inside the bag on top of the paper, and then seal the bag, and you can begin to paint.
This